Hello, my name is Dr. Peter Brown. I'm a veterinarian from Chuckanut Valley Veterinary Clinic located in Burlington, Washington, about an hour north of Seattle. Today we're going to talk about motion sickness and things we can do to help with motion sickness in our pets. So motion sickness is a very common problem amongst dogs. It is a major reason a lot of people don't travel with their dogs, but there are some basic things we can do and some thoughts about motion sickness. One, just like in people, often our pets will outgrow that. So just because they had motion sickness as puppies doesn't mean they will as adults. So sometimes it's just patience with that. Make sure we provide them with plenty of fresh air. I don't recommend opening the windows very much because we don't want them falling out of the car, but providing some fresh air circulating through can definitely help. In addition to that, there are some things we can do from a medical standpoint. There are a couple over-the-counter medications that may be appropriate for your pet. One of them is Benadryl or diphenhydramine. Oftentimes that can be a very simple and safe, effective treatment for motion sickness. It doesn't work in all patients. When you are getting the diphenhydramine, it's important to be sure that it is pure diphenhydramine, that it's not mixed with Tylenol or ibuprofen or some of these other medications that sometimes they are mixed with for human use. To be sure it's appropriate for your pet, do contact your veterinarian. It's a question we get frequently, and then we can recommend a dosage for you if it is appropriate for your pet. We can also use Dramamine in the same way. It's an over-the-counter human medication for motion sickness, seasickness, and it can also be used in your pet, often very safely. Once again, do contact your veterinarian to be sure that it is appropriate for your specific pet. In more serious conditions where the Dramamine or the Benadryl doesn't work, there is a new medication out called Cerenia. This is a prescription medication. It is highly effective against motion sickness. It's given on a once every 24-hour dosage period, so for long trips across the country, it is a very nice medication, and it is rarely does it not work. It is a prescription medication and will need to be prescribed by your doctor, and be sure that that is appropriate for your pet. I know how frustrating this problem can be, but there are some options for us, and much better than leaving them at home or leaving them in the kennel. Having them travel with us can be very enjoyable. So once again, my name is Dr. Peter Brown, and today we talked about motion sickness. Thank you.